Mangwabe saw Musamseleku with his 50th wife Makwela in the car. Makwela was sitting at back with her baby. Musamseleku was driving. So Mangwabe was driving too. Mangwabe got angry. Mangwabe wrote a message to Musamseleku. I don't understand that woman. Mangwabe doesn't want Makwela, but it's not about Musamseleku and Makwela. Sometimes it looks like she is controlling that man. The person who is controlling Musamseleku is Mangwabe. Musamseleku blame Makumalo for all those things. Makumalo this, Makumalo that. Musamseleku doesn't want to tell Mangwabe the truth, especially Mangwabe and Mayeni. When Mangwabe she comes in Muzumbe, Mayeni was very angry, but Mayeni allows Mangwabe with Musamseleku. We saw it at trip. Musamseleku and Mangwabe, they are going to sleep together. Mayeni doesn't have a problem on that. But when it comes to her, what I saw to Mangwabe, she is very selfish. What I saw, she thinks about her own feelings, doesn't think about another person's feelings. Because guys, Mayeni was very angry when Mangwabe came, and Mangwabe was expecting that Mayeni can accept her, because guys, those things happened with a mistake between Makwela and Mangwabe, Musamseleku and Mangwabe, because they don't know that they are going to meet Mangwabe. Because you can meet someone at road, it's not a problem or it's not a crime that Musamseleku he was with Makwela. So I don't understand. And Mangwabe wrote a message. You know that Mangwabe, every time when she is writing a message to Musamseleku, she is always saying some of the bad words to Musamseleku. Musamseleku knows that when Mangwabe send a message, that message is not good at all. I don't understand that woman. She is very controlling. It's the one why Makwela is not coming in Muzumbe, not Makumalo. There is no need of Makumalo. Even Mayeni, guys, we want to saw it. Utano Nestembo. Now we are going to season 10, season 11. Mayeni is not a bad person. Musamseleku knows that Mayeni can get angry, but she can't be angry for a long time like Mangwabe. Guys, Mangwabe is the person who can't even you wronged her. That your heart doesn't forgive very easily that woman. Mangwabe is beautiful when you look at her face, but when you look inside of her, Mangwabe doesn't have a joke. I don't want to lie. Other women, they can. Makumalo, the way she is acting, Makumalo is acting like this because she want to impress her friend Mangwabe. Makumalo have to know that she came at that marriage alone, not with Mangwabe. If Mangwabe, she was not married to Musamseleku, or Mangwabe allows Musamseleku to be with Makwela, Makumalo can do the same thing. Even the issue, guys, of Makwela, they are coming from the same place with Makumalo, what. It's not about maybe Makumalo want to impress her friend, because when she allows Musamseleku to be with Makwela, they are not in same page with Mangwabe, because Mangwabe wants everyone to do their own by the things with their own way. So Mangwabe got angry. Why she got angry? Because those people that they are at road, you understand it? Mangwabe, she was going where she is going. Musamseleku and Makwela, they are going where they are going. So sometimes those women, guys, even Macele was right. Guys, I love Macele. Even we can say Macele is using Makwela. But Macele now, she is want to show them that she have got power more than her. What I saw. Mangwabe was the one who wants to be listened by Musamseleku. She can do whatever she wants to do with her own time. And she wants to control what I saw. People, you can say, you can insult me on comment section, but I tell you the truth. Mangwabe, Musamseleku now doesn't want to bring Makwela in Muzumbe because of Mangwabe, not Mayeni. Mayeni, she is not she doesn't have power on Musamseleku like Mangwabe. Mangwabe have got power, guys. You know that Musamseleku loves Mangwabe and doesn't want to lose her at all. That's why Mangwabe wrote a message. Musamseleku can't say even bad things direct to Mangwabe. like direct, because he knows that Mangwawe is that person who have got a short temper and she want to control. Mangwawe is quiet, but when it comes to deep down, she controls Musamseleku a lot.